Hey guys, this is Christina, Social Media Manager for Particl project. Last Friday, we launched the Partaker Hub, a platform for Particl contributors to earn rewards and participate in contests, and I wanted to take a few minutes to show you how to use it. First thing you need to do is access the platform at partakers.fancorps.com and create an account. You have the possibility to log in directly with your Facebook, Twitter, Google+, or LinkedIn account. Or you can create an account by only using any email address. When signing up, you will be prompted to join a couple of groups based on your preference of social media platforms. Joining a social media group will later give you access to exclusive and targeted tasks. We recommend joining the First Steps group, as it contains all the basic tasks that will set you up for your Partaker Hub journey. After completing the registration process, you should receive an email to confirm your account. Careful, as that email could end up being in your spam folder. Once your account is confirmed, you are all set up to start completing tasks. This is your dashboard and the Hub's main page. This is where you can find your feed of available tasks, community activities, ranking progress, notifications, as well as links to all of the platforms section. The most important thing about the Partaker Hub are the tasks. Tasks require you to complete various activities on social media and can be rewarded with points and credits that can later be exchanged against Part coins in the Hub store. Let's now complete a simple task and go through the entire process together. First, go to Task tab at the top of your screen and select a task you wish to complete. It is possible that you may not see all the available tasks if some of them are targeted to groups you are not a member of. To join a group after the registration process, go to the Pages tab and click on Groups. Back to the Tasks page. Choose a task you would like to complete by clicking on its title. Each Tasks page contains a lot of useful information. At the center of your screen is the task description, where all the relevant information as to the completion of the task should be written down. On the right, you should find a yellow sidebar containing additional information about the task you want to complete. This sidebar will contain information about the task, such as points and credits being awarded upon completion of the task, its due date, if any, whether it can be repeated multiple times, what social media the task is targeting, as well as what kind of completion proof is required from you. If you still want to complete this task after reading its description, click on I accept this task at the bottom right of your screen. Clicking on that button will make the page reload and will now have an additional section at the bottom of it where you can submit your proof once you have completed the task. Usually, a task will require a screenshot or some text to be submitted. This varies depending on the nature of the task. Now, let's complete the Follow Us Medium task. Go to our particl.news page and follow us with your account. Then, take a screenshot of the button that should now say Following. To submit your proof, click on the red Choose a File to Upload button and select the screenshot you took as proof. Once your screenshot is uploaded onto the page, click the button that says Number 2 Submit Completed Task at the bottom right of your screen. Clicking that button will once again reload the page, but now you don't have anything else to do. Your Partaker Hub administrator will manually verify and approve your task, after which you will be awarded the proper number of points and credits. Once you have earned enough credits, you will be able to exchange them for Part coin rewards in the store. To do so, click on the Rewards tab. This will take you to the store. To purchase an item, you need credits. Points cannot be used to purchase items. Their purpose is merely for ranking. To purchase an item, choose which one you want to buy and click on its View button. This will take you to its page where you'll be able to see the description of the item. Add it to your cart, then proceed to checkout by clicking the Checkout Now button. A new page will ask you to enter your shipping information. As the reward is not a physical delivery, your shipping address is not important, and you can enter a fake address if you want. What is most important is that you enter your part deposit address in the notes section of this same page. This is how your Partaker Hub manager will know where to send the part coins. Once you are done with it, submit your order by clicking on Purchase Items and note your reference number, which will show up on the next page. To keep track of your purchases, you can go back to the Rewards tab and click on the Purchases button. In there, you will be able to see your reference numbers, purchased items, the date they were purchased, when they were last updated, and status of your order. Once the part will have been sent to your address, the status of your order will show as shipped, and you will also receive a message on the hub confirming the payment. At this point, the process is over, and you have been awarded your part points. If you have any questions or come across problems using the platform, you can message your Partaker Hub administrator by clicking on the Messages tab and then Contact Community Manager. This will allow you to send a message directly to your manager. Don't hesitate to send feedback and comments about the Partaker Hub experience, as we are trying to make the platform better every day. You can also reach out to your manager on Twitter by tweeting at the Partaker Hub. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and we hope to see you on the platform very soon.